Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your AmaWaterways experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful AmaDahlia here in Egypt. Sailing the Nile is an incredible experience, and AmaWaterways is a wonderful way to do it. Now I'm going to take you through this fixed window room here in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with AmaWaterways, reach out to the experts at HarTravel or book it right on HarTravel.com. We know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, the AmaWaterways experience always includes a land package. We started at the St. Regis Hotel in Cairo. It was a wonderful experience. We got to tour the Great Pyramids. We got to ride a camel. We really enjoyed visiting Memphis and some of the most incredible artifacts at the museum. Now, you'll find world-class guides included, all your meals here on board, beer and wine with lunch and dinner, and of course their famous sip and sail happy hour. There's really nothing left wanting here on the AmaDahlia. Now let's tour the room. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, I'm going to take you into the bathroom here to the side. Now you'll find it's a decent sized space here. You've got countertop space, magnifying mirror, European plug. You're also going to find the shower just behind me. Now you've got the adjustable shower wand, and you'll get those highly upgraded bath amenities. Now, as we head into the bedroom, you've got quite a bit of storage here. You've got shelves all the way up and down. You also have the umbrellas you can utilize on board, floor to ceiling mirror to get ready, hanging storage across, those extra comfy bathrobes and slippers, and you'll find they'll do laundry at a very reasonable price. You've got more storage with the shelves here, full laptop safe, mini fridge down below that'll come stocked upon arrival. They'll replenish as often as you'd like, waters and sodas. You've got coffee and tea just to the side, and then here you're gonna find your vanity that doubles as a small writing desk. US European plugs and USB chargers throughout, and then here you'll find your bed. It's together in the large configuration now. It can be separated apart into two twins if that's your preference. Just let your HarTravel advisor know and they'll note the record. You've got plenty of space underneath the bed to tuck your large bags away, storage on either side with the nightstands. You're gonna find that you have your temperature control just to the side here and directional reading lamps. You got a flat panel TV tucked in the corner to watch your favorite television channels, and then you do have a fixed window. It doesn't open up, but keep in mind if you want to check out the beautiful French balconies, the twin balconies, all the way up to the suites, we got them on our channel along with the full ship tour. When you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with AmaWaterways around the world, reach out to the experts at HarTravel. We know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the HarTravel signature service and the AmaWaterways touches every step of the way.